Okay, we have 30 seconds. Go.
Disabling the cameras now.
How are we looking, boys?
I'm almost there, and
Come on, Zach, 15 seconds.
yeah.
Heatwave 25% off Labor Day sale? Get me 2 pairs of lasers.
The lasers. Nice choice.
Not now, guys. Are you serious? That sale's 3 days long anyway.
No, dude. It's only 1 day this year.
What?
Give me 25 lasers, 25 vectors, 25 vices, 25 quattros, 25 Apollos, 25 brace, 25 future tanks, 25 interceptors, 25 regulators. 2 pairs of lasers are 25% off. That's basically 50% off. That checks out!
If I buy 4 of them, the 5th pair is free, but that's also 25% off, so I might as well get 6, right? Oh no! The truck is leaving!
25% off, 1 day only, and you get your entire freaking Labor Day weekend back. Now that's what I call a score!